For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The race for Indian American votes in the upcoming US presidential elections is well underway. US President Donald Trump released his first campaign video to impress Indian American voters. Aiming to woo Indians in the US, the Trump campaign team released a video. Trump's video seeks to rally American voters for 4 more years for Donald Trump. The video titled 4 More Years is 107 seconds long. The video opens with a panoramic view of the stands of the stadium that hosted the Howdy Modi event in September 2019. The video has short clips of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. The video features Modi's speech in Howdy Modi event and Trump's historic speech in Namaste Trump event in Ahmedabad. It begins with PM Modi saying that Trump needs no introduction.
No introduction. His name comes up in almost every conversation. The President of the United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump.
The video then jumps to Namaste Trump event in Ahmedabad during the American leader's first visit to India in February. The video contains excerpts of Trump saying America loves India during his address in Ahmedabad.
Introduce you to my family.
It was Trump's senior advisor Kimberly Guilfoyle who tweeted the video. America enjoys a great relationship with India and our campaign enjoys great support from Indian Americans. The video on Twitter garnered thousands of views in just a few hours after it was released. The video marks the campaign's most visible pitch yet to the 1.3 million Indian American voters. President Trump and his Democratic rival candidate Joe Biden are wooing Indian Americans like never before. Indians constitute a very small segment of the American population. According to the US population data in 2016, Hindus are over 1% of the total population. Though Hindus are a small minority group, many believe their votes make an impact in several regions. The Trump campaign has promised to reduce obstacles to religious freedom for Hindus if President Donald Trump is re-elected. The Trump campaign has realized the importance of Hindu votes and on August 14th announced the formation of Hindu Voices for Trump. Trump's video featuring Modi comes after some polls suggested that Indian Americans are leaning towards Democrats. However, President Trump asserted that more Indian Americans support them than Democrats. Moreover, Joe Biden's vice president candidate Kamala Harris seems to have impressed Indian Americans across the US. Kamala Harris's speeches are going viral on Twitter. Kamala's reference to her Indian roots has largely impressed Indians and the Indian American population. Kamala Harris's nomination was hailed by Indian netizens. Recently, Kamala Harris also made a mention of her chittis, which means aunts in Tamil. Harris's use of Tamil in her speech won the hearts of millions of Indians. Considering this, Kamala Harris's nomination for the post of Vice President of US has come as a big blow to Donald Trump.